Assalamu alaikum scholars, you are listening to Ziaur Rahman. Scholar, today we have lecture number 30 and today's lecture is about 5 steps of knowledge creation. We are talking about a knowledge creation in organizational and academic knowledge creation prospect. What is knowledge? Knowledge is a familiarity, awareness and understanding of someone or something such as facts, skills or objects. How knowledge is created? Levels of knowledge creation. There are 3 levels of knowledge creation: individual level, group level and organizational level. How knowledge is created? Knowledge is created by increasing the existing stock of body of knowledge. It involves three steps. Number first is creation, then acquisition and then execution. This is a human created process, as knowledge is a information that exists through human thoughts. This is very important, that knowledge is a information that exists through human thoughts. All the steps for knowledge creation are rounding with the humans. So you can see in the next lecture, in the coming slides, steps for knowledge creation. Knowledge creation is a formation of new notions and concepts, either purposeful or not. If we have created some knowledge which currently might be not purposeful, but in coming time it may be a purposeful knowledge. This occurs through the interactions between explicit and tacit knowledge in people's mind. These two terms are very important: explicit and tacit knowledge. Explicit knowledge means the knowledge which is easily understandable, easily transferable and easily created in documented form or in any other form which any human can learn easily. But the tacit knowledge is created in the forms of human minds, human skills, or it is difficult to transfer from person to person. Individual level, knowledge creation at individual level, it involves personal thinking, personal ideas and sometimes created myths. At organizational level, it need to determine the need of the knowledge, need determination for the knowledge at organizational level. And then there is a cycle for knowledge creation. Sometimes there is a tacit knowledge which need to convert in explicit knowledge, and then sometimes there is explicit knowledge in the organization and that need to convert in tacit knowledge. How these converts from tacit to explicit and from explicit to tacit? This is a 5-step process. Number first is the integration of external and internal knowledge. Number second is acquisition of information, knowledge and network integration. Knowledge creation through application of information and problem solving. Role of specific individual and organization, environmental factors. Impact of new knowledge on firm's performance or innovation. So this is a knowledge creation process in the organizations. At individual level, it involved paranoid, fantasy, belief, actions and intuitions. But at organizational level, it involved integration of external and internal knowledge, acquisition of information, knowledge creation through application of information, role of specific individuals and organizational and environmental factors, then the impact of all these 4 factors on the firm's performance. So there are some other cycle for the knowledge creation, which is the socialization, externalization, combination and internalization. You need to please see our next lecture in which we elaborate all these terms, that where it is a explicit knowledge and where it is a tacit knowledge. Every person need to know about the explicit and tacit knowledge. the formation of the new ideas through interactions between easily searchable knowledge, which is explicit in nature, and knowledge that exists only in our minds, which is tacit in nature. So these are the definitions and the processes of explicit and tacit knowledge. Explicit knowledge is available in documented form and easily searchable, easily learnable, easily transferable. But tacit knowledge is either a human skill or human art, or exist in the mind of the human, which is not easily transferable or easily learnable. It involves series of steps to convert the tacit knowledge into explicit knowledge. And in this process, which we had delivered in our next lecture, that how tacit knowledge is converted in explicit knowledge and how explicit knowledge is converted in tacit knowledge. You are requested to please subscribe to our channel. If you have not subscribed it, please like our videos if you are liking it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.